certified to shine. Certified techs are hard to find, built through years of heart and mind. Every repair tells a story true of steady hands that see it through. It's not about the words you say, it's the quality you show each day. DX Radio Shop shines bright, keeping the airwaves sounding right. Great service on us from the start. Every repair is a work of art. When you need a technician, you can count on every time. DX Radio Shop is in its prime. Certified to shine, certified to shine. DX Radio Shop in its prime. From classic CBs to Hamridge 2, every alignment is clean and true. Meter steady, signal strong, getting every radio where it belongs. Experience can't be bought overnight. It's earned through patience and getting it right. One satisfied customer, one repair at a time. That's how you build a name that shines. DX Radio Shop stands tall, answering every radio call. Trusted workmanship, proven skill, driven by passion and a steady will. When the signal's clear from coast to coast, it's quality work that matters most. Turn the dial, hear it ring, let the airwaves proudly sing. Certified to shine, certified to shine. DX Radio Shop in its prime, keeping the radio spirit shining through. DX